Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most stunning and amazing ideas of crochet tops. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs in this video. All of them are very unique and having different crochet stitches and patterns. As you can see, some of the designs are of patchwork as well, and you will see some designs having 1 row, 2 row, 3 row or 4 rows repeat patterns, having very easy and quick to make stitch a double crochet stitch, and different patterns of double crochet stitches are made in these designs of tops. You can see shell stitch pattern along with V stitch. You will see mesh patterns and patterns made with solid double crochet and double crochet chain one in different styles and different shapes. This one is made with a shell stitch pattern, very simple shell stitch pattern, and this one is also made with shell stitch pattern along with double crochet and 3 or 4 chains row inside it. This one is also having a double crochet stitch pattern, double crochet together stitch pattern, and a shell stitch pattern mixed together. And this one is a patchwork pattern, and this one is also a patchwork pattern. Previous one was granny square pattern, and this one is a flower pattern. So all of these designs are unique and attractive, and I hope you're gonna love them all. You can see color schemes are also very attractive and stunning. Very beautiful and attractive contrasting color schemes are used in the designs, mostly in patchwork. And you can see this design having a multicolor yarn used inside it as well. So you can also use multicolor yarn if you are a lover of multicolor. That's up to you. You can use any type of yarn to make them. Most of these designs are made with 3-ply yarn because these are summer stuff ideas. So you can use 3-ply yarn and make these kinds of tops for yourself at home, and you can pair up with jeans and denim shorts or full jeans. That's up to you. You can also use capris with them as well. These tops look stunning with anything for the bottom. So I hope you're gonna love them all. If you love them, just give them a try, and do not forget to share your opinion in the comment box as well. If you are interested in seeing more designs and even tutorial videos of crochet work as well, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, I also upload crochet tutorial videos on my channel. So just do not forget to subscribe to get ideas videos and tutorial videos of crochet work as well, and press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications of future uploads from my channel as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.